Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pinutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about English system conversion. Okay, so units of length. Example number 1, we have to convert 5 yards to feet. Okay, so ito yung conversion natin. So, convert natin yung 5 yards to feet. So, that is conversion factor. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. Okay? So, yung unit fraction, either 1 yard over 3 feet or 3 feet over 1 yard. So, depende na lang sa conversion factor. Okay? So, solution, 1 yard equals 3 feet. So, solution natin 5 yards times 3 feet. Okay? So, equals 1, cancel natin yung yard. Okay? Then, ang naiwan, 5 na lang. Tapos, multiply natin sa 3 feet. So, that is 15 feet. Okay? So, yun ang final answer. Another one, we have to convert 7 pounds to ounce. So, ang conversion factor natin dyan, okay, so yung 16 ounce, that is equivalent to 1 pound. Okay? So, ang unit fraction, that is 16 ounce over 1 pound. Solution, sa ang 7 pound natin, yung convert 7 pounds to ounce is 7 pounds times 16 ounce over 1 pound. So, kung ano yung denominator natin, dapat the same measure sa ating original na measurement, which is yung pound. So, convert natin yung pound. Ang naiwan dyan is 7. So, 7 times 16 ounce. Okay? That is 112 ounce. Another example, convert 8 tablespoons to cups. So, 3 teaspoon equals 1 tablespoon. So, yung cups yung hinahanap natin. So, ang conversion natin, that is 1 cup is equal to 16 tablespoon. Okay? So, ang unit fraction, 1 cup over 16 tablespoon. So, ang solution, so ang 8 tablespoon is multiply natin sa 1 cup over 16 tablespoon. Cancel natin yung tablespoon dyan. So, ang naiwan, 8 na lang. Multiply natin yan sa 1 cup. That is 8 over 16. Then, 8 over 16, that is equal to 0.5. Okay? So, pwede natin reduce to lowest term. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 16 divided by 8 is 2 or 1 half. So, 1 half is equal to 0.5. So, 0.5 cup. Okay, so yan lang po yung topic natin. Next tayo mag-solve ng problems involving English unit in conversion. So, maraming salamat sa panonood at pagkikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pag-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless. Bye-bye.